and was there. I was trying to get Johnny to stop. Her back was to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I just see my little sister with her back to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait for any other, I don't hesitate, I don't wait, I just in my head instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
Ms. Moss, did there come a time when you, while you and Mr. Depp were a couple, that the two of you took a vacation together to the Golden Eye Resort in Jamaica?
Yes.
What, if anything, happened when you were in Jamaica with Mr. Depp?
We were leaving the room, and Johnny left the room before I did, and there had been a rainstorm, and as I left the room, I slid down the stairs, and I hurt my back.
How did you...
And
I apologize, Ms. Moss. Please continue.
And I screamed because I was because I didn't know what had happened to me, and I was in pain. And he came running back to help me and carried me to my room and got me medical attention.
Did Mr. Depp push you in any way down the stairs?
No.
During the course of your relationship, did he ever push you down any stairs?
No, he never pushed me, kicked me, or threw me down any stairs.
Okay, so Matthew, we have you back. How significant was that testimony, other than the fact, it's a big headline, Kate Moss is testifying in the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard trial. How significant was that in the overall case?
Well, I think it was important to refute this idea that Johnny Depp pushed her down the stairs. But what I think it did is, Amber Heard had talked about this rumor that everybody knew. I think she said in the early aughts, that there was this rumor of him pushing Kate Moss down the steps. And by her testifying, she gave some legitimacy to the idea that sort of a rumor could flow from that. She did fall down the steps. She was injured in Jamaica, and it gives some plausibility that a rumor could spin off of her falling down the steps, and that's the same rumor that Amber Heard had heard, and that's the same rumor that had spread through Hollywood or the elites, actors and actresses in the early 2000s. So I think it adds some plausibility actually to Amber Heard's explanation that she had heard this, and just like anybody else, she was concerned about.
And as Anjanette Levy and Stacey Delicat were reporting earlier today, Johnny Depp is apparently in England, playing with John Beck, and he ultimately, Kate Moss attended that show, so they appear to be, still close friends. Let's play what Johnny Depp had to say on the stand about Kate Moss.
Please continue, Mr. Depp. What did you tell Ms. Heard about the staircase, or Kate Moss?
I'll make it easy for Mr. Rottenborn. Ms. Heard took the story and turned it into a very ugly incident, all in her mind. There was never a moment where I pushed Kate down any set of stairs, yet she's spewed this 3 times before.
Objection, Your Honor. Ms. Heard simply testified that she had heard a rumor, and that's not responsive to the question.
Sir, hold on.
Sorry.
Objection. I'll overrule the objection.
Misstates the facts and evidence.
I'll overrule the objection.
Sorry, I was drawn by Mr. Rottenborn's voice.
Certainly.
What was it?
So what specifically had you actually told Ms. Heard about the incident with Miss Moss and the stairs?
Very simply that we were in Jamaica. I had left our bungalow about 3 minutes prior to her. I was standing outside, and suddenly rain starts just coming down like it's, a monsoon. And then I remember looking and seeing Kate coming out the door, and there were 3 little wooden stairs, and she slipped, her legs went up, and she landed directly on her coccyx and her lower back. So, and she was obviously physically in pain, and she was hurt, she was crying. So I ran over and